The market is up, but is this just a temporary rally? I'm here with Alan Valdez from DME Securities. So, Alan, you and I were just talking about how this market likes its sugar high, it's a quick high, and then it immediately falls back off. You know, today a lot of anticipation is building for Friday in Jackson Hole, but we don't really think much is going to happen out of that. Could this market be setting itself up for a disappointment?
You know, and if it does, I mean, we had a little quake here yesterday, but the market was up 200 points. I mean, the aftershock could be Jackson Hole, and the market could tank, because you're right. We are setting, at least in my estimation, Bernanke said numerous times he's not going to announce a QE3 type of deal. And I don't know why the market's, well, you know why the market's looking. I mean, the news yesterday was so negative, they feel the Fed has to intervene. But I don't necessarily think he's going to do it.
Or would he do something big ahead of Obama's huge jobs plan that he's going to do when he gets off of vacation? I can't imagine he's going to do that. It seems very similar to what we saw out of Toll Brothers this morning, which reported their numbers and made it sound awesome, but it was a tax benefit.
Without a doubt. I mean, if you look at the numbers, especially with Toll Brothers. I mean, Toll Brothers every quarter seems to be telling us things are better and going to turn around. Meanwhile, the stock's basically at an all-time low out there. You know, I kind of think, and I really do believe this, that there's a structural change going on. We have to create jobs. And I mean, Geithner, whether you like him or not, a very brilliant man. Bernanke, whether you like him or not, a scholar on the Depression, no question about it. If these men haven't figured out how to create jobs or get this economy going by now, I think there's a problem. And we saw it with QE1 and QE2, like you mentioned, just sugar highs, and it's not sustainable. And I don't think there's an appetite for of QE3, and that's the problem. I don't think they want to just throw this money out there again, just see it evaporate. And even though the market's setting itself up for a QE3, I think we're going to be sorely disappointed, and as a result, the market will probably tank.
All right, so you heard that from Alan Valdez of DME Securities. Don't be so sure that we're going to be able to hold these highs.